Alright, tech enthusiasts, let's talk about something really cool. Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. Imagine AI that doesn't just pull answers out of thin air, but actually does its homework first. That's essentially what RAG is all about. It's a revolutionary approach to building AI systems, particularly chatbots and virtual assistants. Instead of relying solely on the vast amounts of data they were trained on, RAG-powered AI connects to external knowledge bases, think massive databases, specialized document collections, or even your personal files. Before answering your query, it quickly searches this knowledge base for relevant information, uses that to form a richer context, and then formulates the response. This is why RAG is considered a groundbreaking advancement in AI. We've all experienced those moments when an AI chatbot seemed to generate an answer that's completely unrelated to what we asked. Instead of coming up with information from nowhere, RAG essentially prevents this phenomenon called hallucination. By relying on outside resources, RAG-powered AI gives you far more reliable and accurate answers, which is invaluable for tasks that require factual precision. Think about applications like medical diagnosis assistants, financial advisors, or legal research tools. Accurate information is paramount in these domains. RAG makes it possible to create highly specialized AI tools without the need for extensive and costly model retraining. Now, let's talk about how you can actually implement RAG. There are two main approaches. The first is using OpenAI's built-in RAG feature. This is remarkably convenient. OpenAI has elegantly integrated the capability into their LLMs, making it a straightforward process to include external data into your applications. However, there are limitations. OpenAI doesn't explicitly detail the exact architecture or the vector database that powers their RAG system. This lack of transparency can make it difficult to fully optimize for performance or fine-tune it to your specific needs. Enter the second approach, building your own customized RAG solution. This gives you full control. The beauty of this lies in its flexibility. You can choose your preferred vector database, such as Milvus, Weaviate, or Pinecone. This choice hinges on your own data scale and speed requirements. You get to fine-tune the embedding models and retrieval techniques that matter most for your particular use case. For a nuanced comparison, I encourage you to explore the work done by Zillize on its comprehensive analysis of OpenAI's built-in RAG versus a customized RAG solution built on Milvus. They present detailed evaluation results and performance metrics. A major aspect they touch on is the quality of results concerning answer quality. They show that customized RAG pipelines often outperform OpenAI's built-in RAG. Why? Because customized solutions let you optimize every component to your exact needs. Its superiority stems from the ability to leverage the knowledge base far more effectively than an opaque system. Guys, let's talk evaluation. Evaluating the performance of a RAG pipeline is no walk in the park. It's a complex system with multiple interacting parts. Traditional evaluation metrics often fall short because they don't fully capture the nuances of RAG's interaction between knowledge retrieval and response generation. This is where Ragas comes in. This remarkable open-source framework, a huge shout-out to the developers, provides a robust and comprehensive set of metrics for evaluating RAG systems. What's really cool about Ragas is its use of another LLM as a judge. This provides a sophisticated, automated way to measure several different aspects of RAG system performance. This judge LLM provides scores for things like faithfulness, ensuring that the generated answer truly aligns with the retrieved context, answer relevancy, checking if the response actually addresses the user's query, and context precision, assessing how effectively the system is able to rank the relevant information in the knowledge base. Ragas is a true game-changer for developers working with RAG, providing objective feedback based on a well-defined evaluation scheme. And get this, Ragas can seamlessly integrate with cloud platforms like AWS Bedrock. By using a set of different prompts and instructions, different LLMs that are available on Amazon Bedrock can analyze a user query, RAG output, retrieve context, and ground truth, the expected output. You can test different models, optimize parameters, and even generate synthetic test data to see how your RAG system holds up under pressure. Remember, the goal is to build truly reliable and trustworthy AI systems, and Ragas is an invaluable tool to help us achieve that. This is crucial for responsible AI development. It enhances transparency and accountability by ensuring objective evaluations of the model and its various components. Let's talk Amazon Bedrock. Here's a practical scenario. Imagine you're tasked with building a customer support chatbot, and you are using a RAG framework to access your company's knowledge base to answer customer questions. You need to make sure that your chatbot is delivering accurate, relevant, and trustworthy information. You could use Amazon Bedrock, a fully managed service that provides access to a wide range of powerful foundation models, FMs. Using Bedrock gives you a huge benefit. You don't need to worry about setting up or managing any infrastructure. Bedrock handles it all for you. This is significant. You can select FMs from leading AI companies like Anthropic, Stability AI, or even Amazon, helping to choose the best possible model that aligns perfectly with your requirements. You can then leverage this to implement a RAG pipeline evaluation and monitoring system. The process starts with setting up powerful tracing and observability tools, using systems like AWS X-Ray or RI's Phoenix to capture insightful information using logs, metrics, and traces from all aspects of the RAG system. This detailed insight lets you identify bottlenecks and potential issues. This is where you create a dataset, typically from your chatbot's logs, consisting of user queries, retrieved contexts, generated answers, and ground truth to validate its accuracy. Then, using powerful LLMs available through Amazon Bedrock, you can compute the key metrics. These include factors like context relevance, how well the knowledge base is searched, answer faithfulness, how much the chatbot actually uses the retrieved information, and answer relevance, how well the chatbot's answers relate to the user's questions. You can create multiple evaluation prompts and test the faithfulness, relevance, and correctness using different LLMs. This allows you to refine your models, optimize retrieval strategies, and ensure your chatbot is performing at its peak. This gives you the metrics to keep a close eye on and ensures the continuous optimization for higher performance, higher accuracy, and, vitally, to reduce hallucination. This whole process is a continuous loop of feedback, refinement, and enhancement. A major aspect is also to keep those humans in the loop. This helps to combine quantitative data with human judgment, ultimately ensuring high-quality and trustworthy outputs. Amazon Bedrock is changing the game for building and evaluating dependable RAG applications. I encourage you all to test it out. Let's talk about a real-world application of RAG evaluation and improvement with Telium. Telium has put together an outstanding question-and-answer chatbot that's used to help customers with issues on their customer data platform. To make sure their chatbot is always delivering the best support, they've integrated Ragas and auto-instruct with Amazon Bedrock to create an automated evaluation and improvement pipeline. The power of this integration is undeniable. It works like this. The evaluation first starts by using Ragas, an open-source library for assessing RAG systems, to produce metrics for a given dataset. This helps to reveal potential weaknesses. Auto-instruct, another phenomenal open-source system, utilizes Amazon Bedrock's powerful LLMs to automatically generate improved instructions for the chatbot prompts in places where Ragas indicates a problem. This automatic instruction enhancement helps address the limitations of the retrieval process, providing improved instructions to refine the bot. This pipeline produces a continuous improvement loop, refining itself through automated measurements and enhancements. Because this approach utilizes automatic generation and prompt engineering, this approach may also provide opportunities to optimize the cost. A big takeaway here is the immense value in combining open-source tools with cloud-based AI services like AWS Bedrock. It empowers businesses to optimize their AI solutions in a cost-effective way. The human factor is equally important. Telium also incorporates human feedback into the system via its own UI. Here, a human expert, a subject matter expert, can review and approve or disapprove outputs, acting as a critical guardrail. That human-in-the-loop approach helps maintain the balance between efficient automation and human oversight of this intelligent system. Now, a lot of folks ask me, what if I don't have ground truth data? How can I evaluate my RAG system effectively? It's a great question, and the answer is, you still have plenty of options. Don't let the absence of a perfect ground truth dataset dissuade you from building or evaluating your systems. First, you can try searching the internet for relevant datasets. Sites like Kaggle are treasure troves of public datasets, and you might find something that's very close to what fits your needs and allow you to start testing. If that doesn't work, you can always create your own ground truth data manually. Yes, it's time-consuming, but this gives you complete control. You might start small, curating a set of examples and asking domain experts to review them and validate results. This limited dataset provides a strong foundation. From there, you can use this to train an LLM to act as a judge. LLMs can be surprisingly effective at rating the quality of responses. By giving the LLM clear instructions and examples, you can create an effective evaluation system. A few-shot learning approach, where you show the LLM a few examples of correctly rated outputs, is particularly helpful for building this judge. A major aspect is to create well-defined evaluation criteria, and this helps you to obtain consistent and reliable feedback from your LLM judge. And if you need even more data to test, You can use synthetic data generation techniques to create variations of existing data points, boosting the size of your testing pool without any manual labor. Remember, there are also some outstanding open-source frameworks designed to help, such as Aries and Ragas, that can streamline this whole process, offering valuable tools to make evaluating RAG systems without ground truth more efficient and easier. Let's face it, building really effective AI assistants is tough. One of the biggest hurdles is making sure your chatbot is giving you accurate answers. We've already explored many aspects of evaluating RAG. Now, I'll show you some ways to boost the accuracy of your AI assistants. We are going to talk about re-ranking. Re-ranking is a technique that reorders the results obtained from your knowledge base by using different models to estimate the similarity between the query and the context. This process of re-ranking significantly improves the relevance of the knowledge used to answer the question. Let's say you're building a QA bot for a historical archive filled with decades of archived documents. A user asks, "What did the president say about climate action?" Imagine that the retriever returns some truly irrelevant results from different years. The ranking algorithm just returns results based on keyword similarity and doesn't fully comprehend the document context. A re-ranking model steps in, cleverly analyzing the retrieved chunks and reordering them based on context and semantic relevance, ensuring that the answers provided are accurate and relevant. This re-ranking dramatically improves your RAG's ability to generate factual and pertinent answers. This two-stage approach, retrieval followed by re-ranking, takes more time. It roughly quadruples the latency in this particular experiment. In some cases, the model you use for ranking is far more resource-intensive, necessitating that you optimize for performance separately. Consider using techniques like optimizing for cost by fine-tuning or continued pre-training your models, using techniques like prompt engineering and using different LLMs such as Anthropic's Claude or Amazon's Titan, available on Amazon Bedrock, to get the most out of your re-ranking process. It may require expertise, however, the end results can make it worth the effort. It helps ensure that your AI assistant is both intelligent and accurate, giving you the reliability your business needs. Now, let's shift gears slightly and talk about something that's close to my heart: the intersection of music and AI. The articles we've reviewed have explored many aspects about the use of ragas in Indian classical music. Interestingly, the intricate patterns, melodies, microtonal variations, and complex rhythmic structures of Indian classical music and tools such as ragas provide a fertile ground for AI experimentation and can illuminate several aspects of LLM performance. Think about how RAG improves LLMs. These improvements can also be applied to create increasingly robust AI composing tools that produce richer, more accurate, and nuanced soundscapes based on a knowledge base of different musical styles and ragas. We're already seeing incredible innovations that create new instruments, musical notation systems, or even evaluate the emotional impact of specific ragas, leveraging AI's power to analyze vast datasets of musical compositions. This data-driven approach can unlock new levels of understanding regarding the emotional weight of music, generating new compositions based on patterns and insights that would not be possible to discover otherwise. AI is opening exciting opportunities for musicians and composers, helping them to create truly innovative compositions. Imagine AI-powered tools that assist in generating unique melodic structures based on a knowledge base of different historical or geographical musical compositions, styles, rhythms, and scales that would allow you to instantly explore myriad sonic possibilities that might otherwise be time-consuming or even impossible to discover on your own. This is a fascinating field to explore, and I expect to see an avalanche of mind-blowing innovations in this area over the coming decades. So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the landscape of retrieval augmented generation, explored the complexities of evaluating RAG pipelines, and even touched on the exciting intersection of music and AI. This technology has the potential to revolutionize how humans interact with AI and how different AI systems assist us in daily tasks. From improving chatbot accuracy to driving innovation in music composition, RAG is changing the tech development landscape, and we're just scratching the surface. Remember the key takeaways. RAG makes AI more reliable by connecting it to a vast universe of information through different external knowledge bases. Tools such as Ragas give you objective ways to measure performance. And cloud services such as Amazon Bedrock provide you with the tools and power to build and deploy these tools with minimal effort. As AI continues to evolve at an exponential pace, understanding and implementing techniques like RAG is increasingly vital, not only for building cutting-edge applications but also for ensuring that these systems act reliably and ethically. I encourage you all to explore RAG solutions by integrating the tools that we discussed today, and I can't wait to see what amazing things you all create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest in AI technology. And as always, thank you for being part of the All About AI Tech community. Your support means the world to me. Keep innovating.